Hey, what's up, Stormx holder? What's going on, Stormx holder? Today video is going very special for Stormx holder because Stormx gone very fastly starting. You can see here 23.13% they gone up. So this is live price prediction of Stormx. Hope you enjoy this video. Please click out the subscribe button if you need this type more informative video. Subscribe ABS Tech channel because this channel provide you a very latest news of all cryptocurrencies. So let's get started this brand video, my brother. First of all, if you can see here the latest price, not this latest price as 0.07746 US dollar as the Stormx coin price. Everybody know this. So the Stormx gone starting and just and the last 24-hour result. If you check here the last 24-hour volume, the last 24-hour volume is totally a negative 11%, 11.62% they gone down. So I think this is gone very bad for all holder of Stormx. Stormx holder, if you check out here is the market cap. The market cap is totally 23.62% gone up. So this is good news for all Stormx holder. You can see here totally gone up. So if you check out the full diluted market cap as just 23.62% gone up. So congratulations, my brother. This is totally and growing starting, and this is the second week of this month. Therefore I hope at the mid of this month they gone very fastly and they cross $1 especially. My expectation is very good from Stormx to they can easily cross it. What do you say? Can they can cross it? So brother, I have one good news for all Stormx holder, and the good news is that to I have do a giveaway of Stormx, and totally if you complete my 3000 subscribe, I hope just 200 as needed. So please complete to 3000 subscribe, then I do a giveaway. I special make a video for giveaway. Okay, so this was 1000 Stormx coins giveaway. Okay, so wait for this. Please just complete this what 3000 subscribers. So hope you complete it. Okay, come to the point, guys. So this time you can see here this is the last 1 month. This is the last 1 month chart result. You can see here totally Stormx gone down very, not a big jump. They cannot take a big jump. You can see here they take again dump. They cannot go on very fastly, but and those days, if you can see here the latest result is absolutely and good and absolutely very fastly. So let's check out the last 24-hour result, guys, to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. The last 24-hour result is a very important. You can see here the last 24-hour result is starting growing. They're starting totally growing. You can see here going like a rocket, very fastest cryptocurrency. Stormx is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, and the 10 million lost in crypto market cap as the main reason as Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is very highly lost. So my brother, if you are a holder of Stormx, then please hold it and wait for 2025 or wait for the end of this month. They make you a millionaire. They give you a good profit, my brother. Please wait. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel for latest videos, and giveaways coming soon. Please complete 3000 subscribe.